Hi everyone, welcome to the Language Training Center video classroom, and today we will learn the simple past tense. Sağdaşlar yaxşımıslar? Endi bugun shu oddiy o'tgan zaman holatini o'rganmoqchi. Andaqda avval shu oddiy o'tgan zaman degan nima? Deganga bir aniqlik berib o'tsak. Andaqda shu grammatikka o'rganganda intayin bo'yin bo'lgan bir narsani bilsam, shu har xil zaman holatlarini bir farqlantirish uchun biz darsimizningki oldin qismlarda masalan oddiy hozirgi zaman, masalan oddiy hozirgi zaman holati, kelgusi zaman degan zamonlarni o'rgangan. Endi bugünkisi nima desam, o'tgan zaman. Endi o'tgan zaman deganimiz endi shu o'tgan ma'lum bir aniq vaqtda yoki shu o'tgan zamonda bo'lib o'tgan ish harakat va yoki shu vaqtda mavjud bo'lgan har xil holat, aloyidlik, har xil xarakterlarni umumlashtirib biz shu o'tgan zaman holati deb ishlaymiz. Endi bu o'tgan zaman bo'lish uchun qanday desanglar, cho'qim o'tganda qanday bo'lish kerak desanglar, yuz bergan, yuz berib bo'lgan bo'lish kerak. O'tgan ma'lum bir aniq vaqtda. Andaqda biz uyg'urchada deymiz, shunama, ma bola birobdan baliydi. Bu degan gap hamda bu bola qanday desanglar, bu birobdan baliydi demak, burun shundaqdi. Lekin hozir qanday desanglar, unday emas. Degandek. Shunama, yoki bu odam bek baland odamdi, rahmatlik, yaxshi odamdi degan muomalatni nima desam, shu o'tgan zaman. Demak, shu o'tgan vaqtga ma'lum bir o'tgan vaqtga bir nima holat mishalga. Endi bu o'tgan zaman holati albatta shu vaqt ravishlari bilan birga keldi. Abaydan sizlarga cho'qim o'tgan zamandagi yoki o'tmishdagi aniq vaqtda yuz bergan ish harakat yoki shu vaqtda mavjud bo'lgan har xil holatlar, aloyidlik, xususiyat va xarakterlarni albatta umumlashtirib shu o'tgan zaman holati deymiz. Aniqda masalan bu shu o'tgan zamanda ko'p uchraydigan ba'zi vaqt ravishlari bor. Qarab baqsaq, yesterday morning, okay, yesterday deganimiz tunugun, shunama yesterday morning, tunugun ertagan. Yesterday afternoon, tunugun tushdan keyin. Endi men morning degan tushdan burun degan gap savodashlar. Bu taxminan shu ertagandan tong atgandan tortib, demak shu ertagandan tortib toki 12 gacha bo'lgan shu bo'lak vaqtni morning deymiz, jumi? Shunga odatda biz in the morning deydigan gap. Ma afternoon degan joyda sanlar soat 12 dan keyin toki 4:30 gacha bo'lgan oraliqni nima deymiz? Sanlar afternoon deymiz, afternoon. And the last night, okay, last night, tunugun kecha. Ma night deganimiz kecha, last week, okay, o'tgan hafta, last month, o'tgan oy, last year, o'tgan yil. Demak, endi shu aniq bir vaqtni ifodalab beradi. Yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, last night, last week, last month, last year degandek. Okay, endi misharga last degan eng oxirgi yana bir ma'nosi oldingi degan gap. Oldingi yoki o'tgan hafta, o'tgan oy, o'tgan yil degandek-chi. Undan keyin yana cho'rsanlar, yesterday, mesela the day before yesterday. Endi mana qarasanglar, the day before yesterday. The day iliq bir kun, yoki kun, shu aniq bir ko'z sotgan kunni ko'rsatdi. The day before yesterday. Tunugundan burunqi kun. Bu tunugundan burunqi kun degan nima? O'lish kun bo'ladi. The day before yesterday. The day before yesterday. Yoki masalan yana vaqt ravishlarini yana nimani ifodalash bo'lursan, ago. Okay, ago, like an hour ago, bir soat burun. Bularni diqqat talaffuz qilganda hour, h qanday qilinmaydi desam, talaffuz qilinmaydi. Buni hour deb o'qimaymiz. Bu nima desanglar? Hour. An hour. Undan keyin n-ni qo'ygandami, yana bir diqqat qilganimiz, shu ismlarningki talaffuz qilganda birinchi tovush so'ziq tovush harfi bo'lsa, yoki so'ziq tovush bo'lsa, undan keyin n-ni qo'yamiz. Agarda so'ziq tovush harfi bo'lsa, n-ni qo'ydik, uzuk tovush harfi bo'lsa, bunday qo'yildik desak bo'lmaydi. Va tovush bilan harfni almashtirib o'tishga qanday desanglar bo'lmaydi. Tovush degan eng kichik birlik. Shunami? mishariki masalan I, A, I mushul nima tovush. Endi mishariki ma our deganimiz nima? Masalan, ikki tovush, birisi al qo'shma tovush, yana birisi ro ikki tovush tuzilgan hour. Buningga harfga qaramaymiz, nimaga tovush qaraymiz. Shunga buni an hour ago. Agar ma aytalapiz qilmani ekan an hour ago. A week ago. Okay, nima? Hafta burun. A week ago. A month ago. A year ago. Hafta burun, bir ay burun, bir yil burun. Demak, endi shu vaqt ravishlardan demak hammasi nimani ifodelab keldi? O'tmishni. Hammasi shu o'tgan zamon holatini ifodelab keldi. Yoki nima desanglar before ilgari degandek. Undan keyin yana birga shu BPL ning o'tgan zamon shaklidan masalan BPL deganda biz ko'rsatayotgan fe'llar shu yordam fe'llardan am, is, are. Okay, endi bularning o'tgan zamon shakli, mau am bilan is ning o'tgan zamon shakli was, are ning o'tgan zamon shakli were. Was, were. Was, yani nima? Were. Okay. Onun istab nima yara? I am a teacher. Mau nima desanglar? Mau hozir zamondagi shakli. Endi oddiy hozir zamondagi oldina I am a teacher. Men hozir bir o'qituvchi. Demak, mau nima desanglar? Mushu hozirning o'zida mavjud bo'lgan shakl. Demakki, mushu vaqtda, mendagi vaqtda mavjud bo'lgan shakli bu oddiy hozir zamon shakli. I am a teacher. And I was a teacher before. And men ilgari qandatem bir o'qituvchi edim. And bu yerga hamda I was a teacher, remember o'qituvchi edim degani hamda nima desanglar bu o'tgan zamonga tayyorladi. Agar hamda I was a teacher before men ilgari o'qituvchisin degan bo'lsam, demak hozir qanday emas? O'qituvchi emas. Va yo'qlar desam I was a student before. Yoki I was a student 10 years ago. Okay. Men 10 yil burun bir o'quvchi edim. Demak, hamda ilgari o'quvchi, hamda hozir nima desanglar, mening oltim qadar desanglar, o'qituvchi. Demak, hamda shu o'tgan ma'lum bir aniq vaqtga yoki o'tgan vaqtga bir holati. Shunami? And he was a teacher. U bir o'qituvchi edi. He was a teacher. Masalan, you were a teacher. You were a teacher. Bular nima desanglar, shu o'tgan zamon oldi bo'ldi. O'tgan zamon. Endi qarab baqsanglar, bu yerda mau igisning o'xshamaslik asosan, masalan, birinchi shaxsniki am shunami was. I was a teacher, he was a teacher, you were a teacher. Siz bir o'qituvchi edingiz. Endi mishariki were deganimiz hanim bo'ldi desanglar, shu orninki o'tgan zamon shakli. Where deb o'qisak majma were. What? O'rganganmi? Were. Endi buni jumla shakli qanday bo'ldi desangiz, saqlashda avval egisi. Ega degan shu ish harakatni paydo qiluvchi, shunami? Undan keyin BPL ning o'tgan zamon shakli. Undan keyin boshqalar. Boshqalar. Masalan, he was short in 2010. Endi 2010-yili paqa edi. Demak, hozir egizlab ketdi degan gap. Bu nima o'tmishdagi bir holat. Uning paqaligi o'tmishdikisi. Shunami? Hozir ham qanday desam, balki o'zgargan bo'lishi mumkin. She was in London last year. O'tgan yili Londonda edi. She was in London last year. Demak, hamda bu o'tmish shunami? Balki hozir boshqa yerda bo'lishi mumkin, balki London bo'lishi mumkin. Biz uqmaymiz shunami? O'tgan yil shu vaqt edi. Demak, o'tgan yil uning altini ekan London ekan. You know, we were with him yesterday. Tunugun biz uning bilan birga edik. With him birga shunami? We were with him. Masalan, this dress was in fashion last year. Okay, hamda men in fashion degan moda degan gap. Demak, hamda bu ko'ylak ayollarningki osti usti qo'shash uzun ko'ylak nima deymiz? Dress deymiz. Bu ko'ylak qanday o'tgan yili naytdi. Moda edi. Moda edi bu o'tganda. Masalan, they were in park an hour ago. Okay, bir soat burun ular nima edi? Bog'chada edi. Demak, hamda shu o'tgan ma'lum bir vaqtda yuz bergan ish harakat va yoki bo'lgan ish faoliyatlar Shundan keyin mavjud bo'lgan har xil holat, xarakter deganga o'xshash mushlarni deymiz. Masalan, o'tgan zaman deymiz. There was a big tree near the door. Okay. Bu yerda yo'g'on bir nim bor edi, bir daraxt bor edi. Demak, hamda bu o'tmishga aylanib ketdi degan hamda hozir yo'q degan gapda hamda. Biz deymiz-ku rahmatlik bir obdan bek baland odam edi. Demak shu qanda hozir yo'q degan gap. Yo'q degan gap. Hamda shu o'tgan zaman aylandiganda shu BP bilan kelganda qanaqa qilganmiz? Shu BP ni o'tgan zamonga aylantirsak bo'ldi. Okay. Hamda bu jumlaning savol shaklini yasash uchun qanaqa qilmaymiz desanglar, shu BP ni, ya'ni BP ni o'tgan zaman shaklini qanaqa qilmaymiz desanglar, oldiga o'tkazib qo'yamiz. Masalan, she was in London last year bo'lsa, was she in London last year? O'tgan yil Londonda bitdi. Agar bo'lsa, bu oddiy savol jumlaga desak, yes he was, no he wasn't. Yo'q bo'lsa, no he wasn't. Okay, endi mana shu, was this dress in fashion last year? Bu ko'ylak o'tgan yil modamidi? In fashion last year o'tgan yil modamidi? Okay, yes it was. No, it wasn't. Yo'q, moda emas. Endi mana were they in park an hour ago? Ular bir soat ilgari bog'chada edimi? Yes, they were. Okay, no bo'lsa, no, they weren't. No, they weren't. So was there a big tree near the door? Mushu ishqiqi yada yo'g'on daraxt bormidi? Okay. Yes, there was. No, there wasn't. And then mushu there be shaklniki, masalan, there is ning keyindan birga sanag'ini bo'lmaydiganini keldi, yana birga nim kelsa adashlar, sanag'ini bo'lganini birli shakli keldi. Shunama there is a book. Agar bar edi bo'lsa, there was a book. Shunama there was a book. Hamda bu jumla inkor shakli qanday desanglar, BP ning keyiniga, ya'ni BP ning o'tgan zaman shaklining keyiniga natni qatamiz. Masalan, he wasn't short in 2010. She wasn't in London last year and they were not with him yesterday. Demak, hamda mushning keyiniga natni qat. The dress was not in fashion last year. They were not in park an hour ago. There wasn't a tree near the door. Demak, asosan shu BPL ni ishlatishga o'xshash, oldiga o'tkazsak savol shakli, keyin anaqa qilib qo'ysak ham qanday bo'ladi desanglar, shuningki, nima chiqaradi desanglar, shuningki, asli. Okay guys, listen to the text very carefully. And after you're listening, I will ask a couple of questions.
Hello. Were you at the butcher's? Yes, I was. Were you at the butcher's too? No, I wasn't. I was at the greengrocer's. How's Jimmy today? He's very well, thank you. Was he absent from school last week? Yes, he was. He was absent on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. How are you all keeping? Very well, thank you. We're going to spend 3 days in the country. We're going to stay at my mother's for the weekend. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in the country. Aren't you lucky?
Okay, guys. So first, was Mrs. Johnson at the butcher's? Was Mrs. Johnson at the butcher's? Johnson Hanım go'sht dukkanida idimi? Was it? Yes or no? Maybe no, she wasn't, right? She wasn't at the butcher's. Okay. Where was she? Where was she? Well, the natty did. She was at the greengrocer's. O sayköhtat dukkanida idi. Demek hamda musharika she was shundan keyin nima shakli o'tkazilgan shakli. Who was at the butcher's? Who was at the butcher's? Can you answer? Who was at the butcher's? Aslanchi balla kim mushu go'shtlik kuni dedi? Who is this? Mrs. Williams. Yeah, Mrs. Williams was. All right. O'gamiz qarab bag'inglar bu tekstga. Masalan, o'zingizning kitob bilan birlashtirib ko'rsanglar, were you at the butcher's? Were you at the butcher's? Anda siz qas go'sht do'konida edingizmi? Were you at the butcher's? Yes, I was. Were you at the butcher's too? Sizmi go'sht do'konida sizdimi? Sizmi go'sht do'konida edingizmi dedi. Nima demak endi birinchi jumlaga savolashlar. You were at the butcher's. Siz bo'lsangiz go'sht do'konida shunami? Odatda biz kichik o'rinlarga nimani qo'ydik desanglar, atni qo'ydik ayada. Endi buni savollarni qanday qilib to'qsanglar, BP'ni oldiga o'tkazsak nima bo'ldi desanglar, savolga aylandi. Demak shunda bo'lganda were you at the butcher's? Siz go'sht do'konida edingizmi? Siz uydamitingiz deganda nima deymiz? Okay, siz uydidingizmi? Uydamitingiz tunugun? Deganda, masalan, were you at home? Okay, were you at home? Siz maktabdamitingiz? Were you at school? Okay, shunami? Were you at school? And siz qahvaxonada edingizmi? Were you at the cafe? Okay. Yes, I was. Were you at the butcher's too? Men shu yerda sizmi ishadamitingiz? No, I wasn't. I was at the greengrocer's. Yo'q, men u yerda emasdim. Men mushu sayko'ktab do'konida edim. I was at the greengrocer's. So, how was Jimmy today? Andaqda Jimmy qandarak deydi. How is Jimmy today? Bugun Jimmy qandarak? So, he is very well, thank you. O'nayt yaxshi, rahmat. Was he absent from school last week? Okay, endi men yerga absent degan oldingi darsimiz degandoq. No, mush darsimiz yo'q. Bu nima degan gap desanglar, yig'inga, maktabga kelmaslik shunami? Demakchi, he was absent from school. U maktabga qanday qilmadi, bormadi. Endi bu keyingi o'tgan zaman vaqt ravishini olsak, bu yer holat bo'lib keldi-ku, last week. Masalan, he was absent from school last week. U o'tgan hafta maktabga bormadi. Endi u o'tgan hafta maktabga bormadi, shunami? Endi u o'tgan hafta maktabga bormadimi desak, shu BP ni o'tgan oltini olg'ilab o'tganmiz. Shuni bilan nima aytsam? So, was he absent from school last week? Yes, he was. Yes, he was. He was absent on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, Thursday. Demakchi, u maktabga dushanba, seshanba, chorshanba hamda payshanba qanday qilib bormoqda. Odatda mush kunlarning oldiga bolalar nima qo'yamiz? On. And then aniq vaqt oldiga cho'risanglar at. Masalan, at 1 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, at 3 o'clock, at 4 o'clock degandekchi. So how are you all keeping? Okay, endi men yerga how are you deganimiz, endi ahvolingiz qanday degan gap. And how are you all keeping? Demak, endi men yerga bu ingliz tilida ishiltirgan jumla bo'lib, hammalarning salomatligi qanday? Keeping degan hamda shu bir xil ishni davomlashtirmoq demakchi. Siz salomatligingizni saqlash qandayroq yoki qanday ketib bordi salomatliginglar demakchi. How are you all keeping? Sana valan qandayroq? Very well, thank you. Way night yaxshi. Rahmat sizga. Demak, endi Johnsondan so'rabdi. Chunki men Williamsning uyidagilar masalan bal sag'rib qoldi shunami? Uning agishib Mr. Williams qanday qildi? Ig'ir zukam bilan ag'rib qoldi. Hamda how are you all keeping? Sizlarning ahvolingiz qanday? Very well, thank you. You know, we are going to spend 3 days in the country. Wow, biz 3 kunni mushu sahrada o'tkazmoqchi deydi. We are going to spend. Hamma yerga spend deganimiz o'tkazmak. Masalan, spend time vaqt o'tkazmak. Spend money pul o'tkazmakmi? No. Pul hashlamak. Spend money. And spend holiday bayram o'tkazmak. Demak, endi we are going to. Demak, endi bular pat yaqinda yuz bermoqchi ekan bu shartga tushunami? Onasi planlab qo'yibdi. We are going to spend 3 days in the country. 3 kunni yuz o'tkazmoqchi. You know, we are going to stay at my mother's for the weekend. Nima? Biz shu opamning uyida qanday qilmoqchi? For the weekend shu hafta oxircha tulmoqchi. We are going to stay at my mother's for the weekend. So Friday, Saturday and Sunday in the country. Okay, Friday, Juma, Shanbe, Shanba, Sahrada. Aren't you lucky? Okay. ወይ 님디겐 달래lik deydi. Hamda are you lucky siz taleylik mu degan gap. And aren't you lucky degan siz taleylik emasmi degan gap hamda bu. Siz nima degan taleylik degan gap. Bu nima desanglar? İnkar savol jumla odatda nima desanglar? Bu naq bo'lishlik jumla bo'ldi. Masalan biz qayda deymiz, "Appo, men sening balang emasmi?" Biz albatta balasi shundami? Shu balasi o'g'acha men balang emasmi demoqchi. O sen men sening balangtim go degenden direkt durdu. Tushundingmi? Hamda sen yaxshi o'quvchi emasmi degan gap, siz yaxshi o'quvchi go degan gap. Siz o'quvchi emasmi degan gap shu. Siz o'quvchisiniz go, siz o'quvchiga loyiq ish qilmadingiz go degan gap. Demak, aren't you lucky? Sizga taleylikkensiz ya degan gap shu. Okay, anda mana son talabag'lar how's Jimmy today? Masalan, nima deymiz? How's Jimmy today? A, L, B, very well, C, very bad. Birinchisi og'rib qoldi. Ikkinchisi night yaxshi. Very bad, night eski. Qaysi? Okay, of course B, very, very well. So was he absent from school last week? Was he absent from school last week? U o'tgan hafta maktabga bormadimi? Yes, we know, it couldn't say. It doesn't say, u deyilmagan. Qaysi? Yes, he was absent Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Wednesday and Thursday, right? So how many days was Jimmy absent from school? A, 2 days, B, 3 days, C, 4 days. Of course, it's 4 days, right? Okay, so deal of the week. Amsa mushu arabangla. Masalan, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Demek bu hafta nima? Jimmy absent from school, right? And Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Johnson's family in the country, right? The Johnson's family in the country. Okay. So where were you on Monday, February 2nd? I was at school. Okay. Mesela cümle qarab baqsanglar, where were you on Monday? Siz dushanba kuni nada edingiz? Okay. February 2nd, I was at school, right? Where were you at school? I was at school on Monday, February 2nd. And mana cümle qarab baqsak, müşarike nada edingiz? Men maktabda edingiz. Siz qachon maktabda edingiz desa, shu February 2nd. Endi müşarike at nima desam, shu kichik o'rinlar keladi. Masalan, bir maktab degan bir shaharga nisbatan yoki bir davlat nisbatan inta kichik o'rin. Mishaga nima keladi desam, at, masalan, do'konlar, shunami? Masalan, at the greengrocers, at the butchers, go'sht do'konda, at the dentists. Okay, endi shu amniyat keyinda shop degan bor, do'kon degan gap. U amniyat qisqarib ketgan. Shunga aslam qolgan, masalan, butchers, dentists, tish doktorxonasi, hairdressers, soatrashxona, at the stationeries, madaniyat buyumlar do'koni, at my mother's, anamning uyi. Okay, amniyatda my mother's house, yoki my mother's home degan gap. Shunga ashunga qisqarib ketgan. Bo'ldi vallah, bugun shu o'tgan zaman altini yaxshi takrorlab, topshiriqni yaxshi ishlang. Bo'ldi. That's all for today. See ya.